So I think I am going to close now. I feel like I should close now. If you can see, this is the balance on history for today. So I think that's all. It's currently showing me that. So let me just show you the chart. Let me show you the chart. This is how it looks like. I hope this is showing. This is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. You can see how massive it's going. So now there's another dilemma. It went back to my what's it called? To my 1 month, 1 day, 1 week. So 1 month, 1 day, 1 month, 1 day, 1 month, 1 day, 1 hour and 1 minute chart trading sharp. But the thing is, this trade I actually didn't take it on using that strategy. I took it looking at the 1 minute chart. As I looked at the 1 minute chart, I noticed that there was like a probably bullishness that I felt on this area when I did first analysis that I should. I noticed there was bullishness here, so as well as kept going down. I kept buying and buying and buying. So now the thing that if I'm going to use this 1 month, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute chart, so the 1 month, for example, now as you can see, UJ obviously 1 month is bullish. You can see this for me is bullish because I can't. What am I going to look at all these previous charts till 2022? Doesn't make sense. So I look at the current most like I compared the current market candlestick on the monthly chart to the overall chart. You understand? So for the current market candlestick is bullish, if you may see. So on the daily, still following that pattern. So daily was looking bearish at Asian session, but market is. Let me remove this so you can see. What yeah, there's it. So this it and I don't know. I don't want London last to do rubbish. So this 1 hour, if I was to use the strategy now, so as this 1 hour is done is all Bangladesh, then I will now wait for a retracement on the 15 minute, only 1 minute to take it by. So I think I might just go ahead and sound of the police and close the chat. This position, so let me close it here. This is two. All positions closed. Let me go to history. Oh boy, this is very. So this history. So hopefully I don't regret this. So that's that for that. So I'm still in drawdown. How much drawdown am I in so far? I'm still in $155 drawdown. So let me go to this trade. Still looks very 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 promising, but I don't want a drawdown situation. So this is the GBP USD. This is GBP USD. Why is this thing hanging? This is GBP USD. So now I can reduce my brightness at least. This is GBUSD. So I noticed these sales. I don't know. I used to see sales on lower time frame, but I'm trade on lower time frame, but 1 hour daily and monthly stops me from taking. So this one, this one I'm currently moving is not valid. So I'm just talking about this one here now. This this sales. I saw the sales earlier. But I was like, no, it does not make sense because daily is obviously you can see the sorry daily is obviously you can see daily is looking bullish, monthly bullish. So I was like, I shouldn't trade it. You see, market ended up but coming down, coming down. So this area, I'm not going to buy it here because on the 1 hour, see the big bearish engulfing. So I wouldn't want to do that. So this is not a buy. So if I was on trade, you would have seen it. On the gold, on the gold, on the gold, on the gold, on the gold. Yeah, on the gold is looking bullish, but you can see this month candlestick is already giving a wick to the top side. The previous month big, and should be month of April big too to the obviously up and down, but now the current action for gold, yeah, for gold, the current action I feel for gold, the current action I feel it should be what's it called? It should be bearish, but the stop loss will be this wide. But anyway, I did rubbish early hours of video, so I'm just waiting for midnight again for the market to reset. So, because I also saw this trade, that's why I put it above. I didn't take it because I'm expecting the higher time frames to be sell. So that's for gold. So I'm just waiting, looking at what the market will do. So after this video, I will analyze proper and then take a trade and still post. So the next one I post will be like episode 4. This GBP GPY next on the monthly time frame, and look at it on daily. It's looking bullish now. It's looking today's currency was looking bearish. Now it's looking bullish. That's good. And this is on the 1 hour. So 1 hour is looking this big. Now that the 1 hour is giving me this big stuff now. For example, retesting previous what's it called resistance turning to support on all those good stuff. If you check the 1 minute, it's the same thing. If you check the 1 minute, it's the same thing. So now I feel I might look for an entry now. So market can those things that we doing all these kind of things that I've been doing on the gold and stuff, like this kind of stuff that doing on gold and this stuff that I did on GU that made me sell here on GU that not made me sell, that felt like the market was going to come down. And on UJ too that I just closed this sort of a thing on UJ. So the market can give me something like that. I feel I might be able to take a buy on GG. On GG in 1 minute. So the 1 hour is yet to close in like 10 minutes to close. New York session traders will come in. The 8 o'clock is our 1 p.m. 8 a.m. is our 1 is their 8 a.m. is our 1 p.m. So let this load now. Okay, this is GG. I thought it was GG. So I'll be expecting something like that on the 1 minute. So this is the analysis I had earlier in hours of the day. It's almost 8 but I didn't take the trade. I took UJ cells instead, yeah. So I took UJ cells because I was looking at daily rubbish. Instead I put a daily EMA, so it was what even made me take the cold cells too. So that's by the way. So now last but not least, USD card. USD card. USD card. So obviously this was the analysis for USD card. Unlike other charts, it didn't play out, but on USD card, I don't want to disrupt this. I don't know what, like I say, Canadian and dollar people that be on the market now. So market can do something. You see this resistance here, this area. So I wouldn't want market this area. I wouldn't want to go against this floor. So I wouldn't want to buy into it because obviously, from the daily you can see it's bearish. So monthly is bearish. Daily is equally bearish. So daily is equally bearish, yes, except this today's candlestick that is giving bullish vibes, but and I feel USD card is obviously daily the 1 hour is better because you can see this previous what's it called support acting as resistance now. So on the 1 minute, nothing yet. So obviously, I thought to myself to like this would have been a nice buy somewhere here, nice buy somewhere here. But no, I'm not taking buy. So yeah, that's it for that. So when next I take another trade, I'll post. Let me hopefully I get out of drawdown. I'm on drawdown of 170 or $171. Abi? Yeah, $170. Stressing this laptop a bunch. I'm going to the camera so you can see my pretty face. So let me just increase the brightness. So hopefully we get out of drawdown. Then then what will happen? Then yeah, because I'm currently on $171 drawdown. You can see this is the drawdown. This is drawdown on your own. So when I got the account, then put the last 3 months. You can see last 3 months. Click on it. But just this month I got the account. I mean, this month I think last week, but I can't remember. So in the history, this is history, the 5K account, loss of $155 plus all this swap and commission. You can see the swap and commission rubbish below. So balance is 4829. So this is good funded. You can do the display picture for this video is like good funded, blah blah blah. So I don't know how to cover it so it doesn't show. This is it. Forget my nails. But this is it. Is my name showing? My name should be showing, but I don't know how to cover my name. I don't know how to cover the number and my name while my name appears. So this is it. This is my name here. Alright, so that's it for that. So till we get another trade. Peace out.